Hi guys, Jay here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make money with video. Now, you don't need no experience whatsoever. The way I'm going to show you is that you don't have to create anything yourself. It's already made for you using like templates. Now, so you don't need any experience, you don't have to show your face, and you don't even have to speak if you don't want to. I'm going to do this. I'm going to show you 4 different apps that I use, and I'm going to explain a little bit about them, give like a bit of a review, what I like and don't like about them, etc. And then I will leave the links in the description if you want to check them out further. So the first one is InVideo. Now, I like this because it's got over 4,000 pre-made templates, yeah, which is these down here, where they put what's trending, you go over it. All you have to do is change the text if you want. You can change the music. You can put your logo on it. And there's lots of different ones like these. Recently I did. You've got your intros and logos, video ads, slideshows, etc. So that's what I like about this. And like I said, it's got over 4,000. And if you're struggling to find one, you just have to type it in. So you can type in like plumbers, any business you want, and then you can make these videos for yourself, or you can make them and sell them on places like Fiverr, Etsy. You can contact local businesses like on Facebook or Google, and you can do all that. And you can make them in wide format, you can make them in square format for like your Facebook and that. You can make them in vertical, and that's what's good. But not only that, guys, you can also use this, what's called text to video, and this is where you take a script. So you might have a script on your website, or you might have a blog post that someone wants converting into a video, and you can use all these different templates. Now you scroll down and they've got lots of different styles, and that's what's good about this. It's got a variety. And as you see, there's loads. You can, and then as you say, it uses like stock. You don't have to add your own video, because you'll add the text. And what it does, it adds the video and the message for you. It does it all for you guys. So you don't have to do any of this. It's already done for you. You just paste the script in and it'll create the video. You could do that on all 3 formats again. Then also, if you want, you can create your own video, and it's got its own like little video editing. If you want to get creative. So you can add like your own uploads, your own videos and that, and add like your images and music and text and logos, etc. on top of this. So you've got all sorts, guys. It uses like stock photos, stock photos and stock videos, whichever you want to use. It's also got like it's got stickers and overlays, and so if you want like a bit of I don't know, a bit like lightning and snowflakes and all that stuff, you can add it to it. And it's so easy, guys. It's just like drag and drop. And yeah, so that's InVideo. Now, secondly, is Vidnami. Now, Vidnami is pretty much like InVideo in the text to video department. Yeah, this is all Vidnami can do. It's built for this. So whatever style you want to do, content video, presenter video, instant ads, sales video, etc., it's the same format. You just copy and paste text into the video, and then it will create it itself. It uses stock photos and videos just the same. I think it uses it from a different source. So as the place it uses it from on here, if you would go to that without Vidnami, you would have to pay for a subscription. Whereas Vidnami, you get it in part of the video, which is great. You can do different formats. You can do landscape, square, and vertical, and they've got quite a few different selections. I don't think they've got quite as many as InVideo, but I feel Vidnami works better. Yeah. And then that's Vidnami. Next is Create Studio. Create Studio is more like your 3D stuff. your animation. Yeah, and this is a great program to have. You can make promotional videos, like 3D explainers, doodle sketch, stomp teasers, and so many, guys. And in fact, I'll just open it up here. Like, this is mine. You got your characters, your Instagram and Facebook, your promotion stories, your local businesses, scroll stoppers, and you can scroll down and you've got like all these different ones. And this is like a clip of it, a beauty salon. Yeah, you got like your cafe ones, and these are all like already made for you. All you do is you can change the text, you can add your logo, add description, etc. And I find this really good. I use this a lot. That's called Create Studio. Now, another one, guys, is called Video Creator, and this one is coming out on the 13th of April, and it's basically an all-in-one. Yeah. You can make all these different kinds of videos, explainers, whiteboard, e-commerce, video ads, scroll stoppers. So all the ones basically you could make on the other apps, like your InVideo, your Vidnami, Create Studio, you can more or less make on here. It's like a one-stop shop. So instead of paying for all different variations of video creating apps, you've got this Video Creator. And then we'll just scroll down and it shows, and this one's got over 670 templates. Not quite as many as InVideo, but still got quite a lot. But on this one, you can make different styles of videos, whereas in video, you just got them certain ones. Like some of these are like scroll stoppers where it looks like it's coming out of the screen. These are very good for Facebook ads because it gets people's attention thinking like something's coming out of the screen, like a light in here. Yeah. And then you got like these where the logo like stays with like look how you type in your text and stuff like that, guys. Yeah. So that, guys, is basically it for your 4 different styles of video creating apps. And this is what I use to make money with video. And if you'd like to see more about these videos, please let me know. I will also put the links for each individual one in the description, so you can click on them and have a look at them and that. And yeah, so if you like this video, guys, please give me a thumbs up. Thanks very much for watching.